Well, this is our precision machining program and is open to juniors and seniors. Our program is designed to give the students the skills to go to work in industry upon graduation, or they can continue their education in the precision machining program over at Vincennes University or any other college if they so desire.
I love it. It's hands-on, kind of like I like that. You learn a bunch. It's a good experience on learning machining, and we're learning how to use milling and lathe and surface grinding machines, making different types of tools.
Here at Pike Central, we have a good assortment of the traditional manual machines, vertical milling machines, lathes, surface grinders, and drill presses. That's what you'll find, in most shops. And I think here at Pike Central, we're probably pretty fortunate. Here at Pike Central, we have 3 CNC mills and 2 CNC lathes. They learn how to do manual programming as well as setting up the machines. So they get a lot of hands-on time on these machines. So they get a good foundation, and it gives them a good background for either going to work or going into the program over 2 years.
The most challenging thing I've probably had here is running the lathing machine. There's a lot more components to it, a lot easier to mess up.
Yeah, it's worth the drive to come over here, and if you have friends in the welding class over here, it makes it a lot better with the drive.
I plan on furthering my education at BU in the machining program and getting my associate's degree in precision machinist and getting a job in the field.
I think there's just so many opportunities in the skilled trades areas, not just machining, but welding and other occupations like that. Fewer young students have been getting into the skilled trades in the last 20 years, and there's a lot of guys like myself that are in their 50s and 60s getting ready to retire, and so a lot of industries, if you talk to them, they're already concerned about what they're going to do when all this skilled workforce retires. Well, lots of opportunities, job security, good paying jobs, and they're rewarding as well. Each day you go home at the end of the day and you feel like you've accomplished something. You can look and see what you've been working on, and it's a very rewarding career as well.